but I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He keeps blessing me over and over and over again. Good morning, good morning. This is how I woke up this morning. I had on my cap, of course, but I took that off. And this is how I woke up. I watched a video this morning by Lena's Lovely Locks. I'm going to stop now and thank my subscribers. I thank you for hanging in there with me. I went one whole week without uploading a video, but I did not go one whole week without seeing or reading comments from you. And I just want to say thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for your support. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, go ahead, join the Gene G family so you'll know when I upload a video. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell and hang out with me every now and then. Now back to the video I watched this morning by Lena's Lovely Locks. She had her hair in an updo after getting a retightening, and it was hanging to the side. And I realized that right now my hair is hanging to the side. So I'm going to try to create that style in my hair, or some resemblance to the style that she had with my hair hanging to the side, because I have been trying to come up with ways to keep my hair off of my neck for the summer. So we're going to try that. We're going to try it now. Okay, my parts are crooked. I'm not going to worry about that right now. I am going to try to keep going. I got to figure out what direction I'm going in with the rest of this hair. Okay, so this is what I have right now. Now today, oh yeah, I have a few. I was just about to say I wish I had some of these, and I do have a few of these small black rubber bands that I am going to put on these twists. I'm going to take it around this time. Try not to pull anything else from the other one. And go around again just to sort of hold this twist in place. I think I know what I'm doing. Just keep watching. I'm trying to decide how I'm going to deal with this. I have a goodie clip up in there. I'm going to take this goodie clip and I'm going to turn around and show you what I'm doing. Take this goodie clip, this is the end, and I'm going to just clip it. And that's what I have. Okay. This seems very, very high to me. Alrighty, I'm gonna try something else. Okay, I'm taking this loose too. All right, guys, you just let me know what this looks like. I'm gonna do a 360 because there was no method to this madness. So I wrapped my hair just to make it look a little bit smoother. And I am going to take this off so you can see my final look. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He keeps blessing me over and over and over again.